Bantu people, I don't know what it's like for you, but in Zimbabwe, people just support the big football teams. This is probably because of our broadcasting system. But in Shona, we have a special name for each one. So Real Madrid are known as Mapostoli. This is because this translates to apostles. They normally wear white in Zimbabwe, and that's what Real Madrid do. Barcelona, Barca. This is basically just Barca in a Shona accent. Now onto the Premier League. Liverpool, Chiropa, because this translates to blood. Liverpool wear red. Liver sometimes has blood. Chelsea, Chele Chele or Mabinya. This Mabinya directly translates to thugs because, yeah, you know, Chelsea, they don't play to the rules. Arsenal, Maganas. This is just Gunners in a Shona accent. Man City, my citizens. Again, the citizens in a Shona accent. Tottenham, Tototo. This is basically just a Zimbabwean way of saying Tottenham. Man United, Menu. Tell me, what are these teams called in your country? Do you have a special name you use? Which name did you prefer? So